विरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय।
Welcome back, children. And here the lesson, the smile award. The smile. Here we have discussed about this. Children, starting up the lesson, let us see that everyone smiles when they are happy. Rahul is a student of class 5 in South Schools. In the second semester, his class was given a project to collect happiness and bring it to class. Right, children? We have discussed about this. Miss Devika, the teacher, told the students that the winner would receive a smile award at the end of the project. All the students were excited. It was a challenging project and they racked their brains. What is the rack their brains? They are thinking, yes, I should get the first and all. And rack their brains to think of ways to collect the happiness on the day. Collect the happiness. On the day of the presentation, animated voices of the students filled the class. Yes, children, we have discussed about the animated voices of the students filled the class. What are that animated voices, children? Making the different sort of sounds, right? Yes, different sorts of sounds. And everyone, now let us see. Everyone was eager to share their ideas and show off their projects. So everybody are ready to show their projects. Now what they have done, let us see. Here Neha, Sajay and Tara, what they have done. Let us see here. Yes, Neha, Sajay and Tara entertain the class with jokes and funny anecdotes. See, if anybody says to say some jokes, you'll be ready. No, like that only. Here also Neha, Sajay, and Tara, they said some jokes in the class, and everybody laughed. And anecdotes. Anecdotes are nothing but real incidents of humorous. See, something happens at home or in and around, so you'll get a laugh on that, and you'll be very happy with that. Yes, and you share that are all with your friends also. You know, like this happened yesterday, and we laughed a lot, and all you used to say, right, children? And you'll say, and that boy was doing like that and all. Yes. So funny things and all. Then if they will do funny things, you'll get laugh, and you'll share the same thing with your friends. That are nothing but anecdotes, the real stories of humorous. Yes, children. So humorous is laughing incidents and all. Yes. Now comedians and all, what they will do? Humorous and all, right? Okay. Now let us see furthermore. Samir recited a poem about smiling. Samir recited a poem about smiling. So some are saying, some used to act, and some used to say the stories. And now Samir is doing what he was doing there? He recited a poem about a smiling. When Riddhi sang the popular song Happy Song, Stanzin broke into a jig which had the class in splits. So while the Riddhi was singing a song of happiness, yes, happy song, Stanzin, one boy, broke into a jig which had the class in split. He was danced like anything, and everybody laughed at him. Usually it happens if anybody dances differently, you'll get laughed. So he also danced and danced differently. That is, broke into a jig, which had the class in splits. Splits are nothing but they are all laughed a lot. Yes. So in splits. Then Rahul pulled. Now what Rahul did? Then Rahul pulled out a treasure chest and walked to the front of the class. This is the chest, Nana, treasure chest. This is a box of treasure. Yes, and see if anybody brings like that, you all will be eager to know what it is and all. What will be there in that? So, let us see. Rahul pulled out a treasure chest and walked to the front of the class. Everyone crowded around him. See, if anybody brings such type of things and all, you usually goes near there. Everybody used to go near there. No, that is crowded around him. Yes, eager. If anybody does the project very well, you are all wants to see that, and you are all go there. That is crowded around him, eager to know what was in it. Isn't it, children? You are all enthusiastic. You all wants to see what is there in that. Yes, eager. You're all eagerly waiting for that, right? So eager to know what was in it. See? So what will be there? Let us see now. Now, Rahul said, the chest is filled with happiness. Rahul said, the chest. What is the chest here? Boxes, box of treasure and all. The chest is filled with happiness. Anyone who wants peace of happiness, anyone who wants a piece of happiness can help themselves. So whomever wants a happiness can come and take from this. Who said this? Rahul, right? So what happened? Vashi. Now he said, no, anybody wants the happiness can come and take that. Then Vashi came up and pulled out a piece of paper. Now from that treasure chest, Vashi came and pulled out a piece of paper. As soon as she saw it, she broke into a smile. By taking out the piece of paper from the chest, she started laughing. Yes, she broke into a smile. Now everyone was curious to find out about the contents of the chest, because already Vashi has taken out, so she was laughing a lot. So everybody were eager now. Hey, something is there. No, let us see. Like that, they were all ready. They are all curious about it. Now Rahul turned the chest upside down, and hundreds of pictures fell. Yes, all the pictures were fell down. What did you observe, children? What are the real laughing? Yes. So let us see, fell out. There were pictures of people smiling or laughing. Yes, by seeing these pictures, are you getting laughing or not? Are you getting smiling? Yes, naturally. If anybody smiles, you also will get smile, right? Yes, the class was amazed and delighted. They're all very happy. They are all amazed and delighted. So their eyes are blinking like anything, shining like anything by seeing all that because of happiness. Everyone who saw the pictures of the smiling faces could not help but smile themselves. Even though they don't want to smile also, they got smile. They laughed a lot. And they giggled. They are all laughed like anything. Rahul had not only managed to collect happiness, he was also spreading it everywhere. It's very good, no, Nana? It's not only, he did not only collected that pictures and all, but he made others too happy. Yes, he spread that happiness. He collected happiness and he spread the happiness. So always we must spread happiness, not sadness. Of course, sometimes we'll be sad, but we must be happy for all the time. We should leave all the sadness aside. Right, children? Now let us see now further what happened. Now what the teacher should give now? Smile award to whom? To Rahul, right? The class cheered for Rahul as Miss Tulika praised him. So now who is this Tulika, children? She is a teacher. Yes, she is very happy and all the children also so cheered and Tulika praised him and gave him the Smile Award. Yes. Now the children gathered for a group photograph and every child had a broad grin on their face. Broad grin means smiling on their face. So everybody stood and they have taken the photograph. Yes. See, they are all are so happy. Even you people also will be happy now while you are taking photograph. And if one of your friend got any award, any prize and all. Yes. See, smiling award here. This is a smiley, right, children? So let us go further. What happened? When you are happy now, about the smiling, let us see. When you are happy, you smile with your eyes and your mouth. See, when you are happy, you'll smile with your eyes and your mouth, isn't it? This is called a Jewish smile. This is called a Jewish smile when you laugh with your mouth and eyes and it contracts the muscles at the corner. See, Nana, what is happening near the eyes? It will contract the muscles. Muscles are all are contracting near the eyes. When you smile, it happens. Check out your face. When you smile, you check out your face in the mirror, Nana. What happens, you can find. Yes, and it contracts the muscles at the corner of your eyes. So when you laugh, you must laugh happily, children. Not simply like that, yes, we have to laugh, not like that. Then what happens, you see, if you just want to smile for others' sake. Yes, let us see furthermore. It is a natural smile. So it is a natural smile, not something that you can fake or put on. If you simply pretend that you're laughing or smiling, it will be like this, children. Yes, like this. What smile it is? Fake smile. Fake or put on. Yes, not something. So it is a natural smile, not something that you can fake. So this is a fake smile, right? Are put on. On the other hand, when you are forced to smile for photographs, your eyes do not smile. See, this is for photographs' sake you smile. This is also not that much free. That will not show the happiness there. Your eyes do not smile. See? Here your eyes are smiling here because of happiness. But here no, simply for photograph, you'll show that. So that will show that your eyes do not smile. But when you smile because something has given you pleasure or made you happy, then your eyes sparkles and you gave a warm smile. See, like this warm smile you'll get if you're happy. Yes, your father and mother, if they'll bring a new dress to you for your birthday, then or any festival, you'll be so happy, no? Then your face will be like this, right? Yes, now. So, when you're truly happy, give a beaming smile, children. Beaming smile, joyful and glowing. See, it is a joyful and glowing smile, right? So you must not be like these two children, these two pictures. You must be like this and like this, right? So take care. You must smile nicely. Then you'll be happy. Happily you must smile. Okay, let us see. And you know, if you get any award and all, your friends will be so happy, no, and they will congratulate you. So here also, Rahul's friends. Here are some smile letters that Rahul received from his classmates after the presentation. See how nice the friends also. They did not felt any bad about Rahul. Instead of that, they are very happy that their friend got the smile award. So children, we also must be like that. Then we'll grow in the positive nature. Children will be in nice position afterwards. Yes, everybody will praise us also. We should not be negative children. Yes. Now let us see who are all wrote the smile award, smile letters to Rahul. They have written, see, smiling is easy when we are happy. Smiling is easy when we are happy. We share jokes. Yes, we share jokes. We'll be happy. Yes, smiling is difficult when our parents scold us and we are hurt. See, when our parents scold us, we'll be like this. Yes, so who wrote that letter? Maria. Who is this Maria? She is a friend of Rahul. Yes. Now let us see some more letters. And here it is. An easy smile is when we grin naturally. We smile naturally. And it makes those around us feel happy. We should not be always sad and we should not put our face just like that and without any happiness and all. Then everybody whomever will see us, they will also feel bad. Right, children? So we should not make others dull and sad. We should make always others happy by ourselves, by making ourselves happy. Right? By seeing us, everybody will be happy. So an easy smile is when we grin naturally and it makes those around us feel happy. Who wrote that? Anish. See this smile. By seeing her, we also will be happy, no? Yes? Children. Who wrote this? Anish. And first letter written by Maria. And Anish is also friend of Rahul. Now let us see one more letter. A smile is something you can never give away. It always comes back to you. If you smile, if you met any friend, immediately you have to wish them, no, Nana? If you wish with smile, then immediate others also will smile, will wish you with the smile. If you will not wish them, others will not wish you, right? They are also will be like that. Array, they are just going like that. They are not at all seeing me. Then how can I wish like that? They will think. So whenever you met anybody, you must wish them back. Wish them with smile. Then they same smile will come back to your children. So a smile is something you can never give away. It always comes back to you. So written by Jyoti. See? They're smiling together, right? He is given the gift and immediately this girl also laughed. Now let us see one more letter. Smile and you make friends. If you smile, others, everybody will be friend with you. If you will not smile, if you be always angry on others, no, nobody will be willing to be with you, right? So that letter written by Sachin. So smile and you make friends. See how many more friends you'll get. Right, children? So be happy and make others happy by smiling only. Right? Now let us see here. A smile can transform you and everyone around you. A smile can transform you and everyone around you. If you smile, you'll forget everything, children. Whatever sadness will be there. And everybody will be happy by seeing you. So we must make others also happy by making ourselves happy. Yes, children, I hope you all understood the lesson and be happy for yourself and be smiling always. Take care, children. All the best.